Hey guys, welcome to Art the Rose, and today we'll make this beautiful cloud themed gift card. The inside will have aesthetic looks. You can see we have made different style of card. You can decorate it as you wish. So let's start this. First of all, we'll take the white card paper. You can use any kind of paper, and we'll adjust this upper part. To make this part, you have to cut 3 holes of circle and add a plastic, and then we'll add the clouds and stars. I have used the same color to make it look normal. You can use colorful as per your taste. Let's adjust it with glue and do the inside part. For this, you can decorate as per wish. We have choose this design. You can see. You can decorate it as you wish. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, like and share and subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.